Here is PRL to the BTC pair as had been requested. PRL's full name is Oyster, and I was specifically asked to do the BTC pair. More than happy to. So the analysis that I can present when I start, I usually go to the daily chart, but the time frame available is so short, I go right to 4 hours. The first thing I look for usually will be patterns. I zoom in, zoom out, left to right, right to left, top, bottom, bottom, top, corner to corner. Why do I do that? It's my way of having my eyes scan for patterns. Pattern recognition, some people have a very difficult time with it. They may have a certain orientation of the brains or the conceptualization, visual capabilities, so that conceptualizing patterns can at times become a challenge. But still, it's a skill that can be learned. When I first started back in 1997, I found it to be very difficult to identify the patterns. You almost have to be clever in being able to find not only one, but maybe multiple patterns. And quite often I've met people who can just see a chart. They don't have to do any labeling. They can just see it, and they've got the whole analytical conceptualization in patterns and waves already in their mind, which is pretty amazing. So here's one pattern. The only thing about this pattern is I don't really like to have not enough a big gap where there are no touch points to the trend line. So let's leave that there for now. What other pattern could I identify? So here's another one. The symmetrical triangle, which broke out. So now I would do the Elliott wave counting. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after 5-wave impulse, there's a correction. Now, this correction can be counted in different ways. Notice how this is slightly higher than the wave 5. We can label this as an expanded flat, like so. What is an expanded flat? That is an expanded flat, where the B is higher than the origination of the A wave. And this B wave is slightly higher than the origination of the A wave. And the C wave always has 5 subwaves. And those can be counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if now the ABC, if the ABC is complete, then we've got to move like this to take into consideration. But if this blue triangle is in play and the apex is here, then we have a few choices. From a probability point of view, and it would be up to the analyst to rank order the probabilities. Analyst provides analysis, not the opinions. That is why the analysis that I provide is designed to augment your due diligence when you decide to take a position or get out of a position, whichever direction you're looking at. Now I can count this. Okay, so here, I can take this and start Elliott wave counting in this manner. I can say this is 1, 2, or better yet, 1 and 2 is over here. The wave 2 is currently being finished. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is almost done. 3 should bring it to here. 4 is 38% down, and we should meet the prior height at the starting of the triangle, or the prior 5. Here, prior 5. I think wave 3 will extend far more than what it is right now. So it's about 1.618, extension of 1. For now, I will leave the targets here. Every now and then I do make a typo between a dollar and a Satoshi and what have you. And when you catch it, thank you very much for letting me know. Yesterday I got confused between the symbols of RCN, Arcon, and Ripio. I apologize. Okay, so 3152 Satoshi. That's the target for wave 5. In order for this to hold, bottom triangle support must hold. Because if it gets broken decisively, it'll be a different count of A, B, and maybe C down. So if this blue lines can support, hold a support, I think we can see the beginning of the continuation of the impulse. And again, I said this is pretty short. If there's a new bull market coming, all of this is going to be extended upwards. I'm being conservative right now. I hope this is helpful. I hope I've earned the right to ask you for the consideration of your upvotes, follow, and your resteams. And if you have any request to make for analysis, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.